All right, Watertown users, this is for you and downloading Sketchup. Now, this only works for the Watertown students, and this needs to be done on campus Wi-Fi. So if you're out for whatever reason, you can always come to the school after hours and park in the parking lot. As long as you're on the school's Wi-Fi, you should be able to complete this process. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Finder window on your Mac, and you're going to go to Applications, and it's going to open up all the applications on your computer. And you're going to scroll down and find the W here, self-service, Watertown School District self-service, and you're going to click on that. You're going to have to put your credentials in, which should be the same as you used to sign into your computer, and then it will let you in. Mine has remembered me from last time, so it didn't need my password. Now, what you need to do is scroll through these and look at these different options. I think it's under, must be under applications right here. And we're looking for Sketchup. And it might be a different year that you're seeing here, but you're going to do Sketchup, and there should be a install button. It looks just like this one right here. You're going to click install, and it's going to take a few minutes to download and install. And you're going to complete the process with this. If it asks you to move something to the Finder window and so forth, and then you're going to have that application ready to use. So what we're going to do after you install it and it's installed, then you should be able to see it in your applications folder. So right here, I have a folder for SketchUp, and I have layout, SketchUp, and style builder. Most of the time we're in SketchUp. You're going to open that up. Yes, it's from the internet, that's fine. And once that opens up, it's going to show up in your dock. And you may want to, because we're going to use this quite a bit, you may want to pin this to your dock. So if it's open, you can control click on it, and you can options keep it in the dock or remove the dock. However you want to do that is fine, rather than having to search for it each time in your applications folder. So once you have this all downloaded and ready to go, then you can see the video on how to set up SketchUp so that you can start using it appropriately for class.